To swap crypto in your Trust Wallet, start by opening the application on your mobile device. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view all your cryptocurrency holdings. Look for the swap option, usually represented by two arrows forming a circle, and tap on it. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to swap from the list of available assets in your wallet. Choose the token you wish to receive in exchange, making sure it is available on the platform. Enter the amount of crypto you want to swap, or use the percentage buttons to quickly select a portion of your balance. Review the swap details, including the exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the estimated amount of crypto you will receive. If everything looks correct, confirm the swap. Your wallet will then execute the trade, and the new cryptocurrency will be added to your balance. It is essential to note that Trust Wallet uses a decentralized exchange protocol, which means that swaps are executed on the blockchain. As a result, transaction fees and processing times may vary depending on network congestion. Always ensure you have enough gas in your wallet to cover the fees associated with the swap. To minimize risks and maximize returns, it is crucial to stay up to date with market trends and compare exchange rates across different platforms. Be aware of the potential for price slippage, especially when trading volatile assets. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and efficiently swap crypto in your Trust Wallet.